Hi everyone, and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have a Pasquini Livia 90. This machine was brought in because the customer said it was heating slower than usual and also that the group head was leaking. So we perform a tune-up where we replace the brew screen and the gasket, which resolved the group head leaking issue, and ran a descale cycle through, which helped clean some of the minerals off of the heating element, allowing it to heat the water faster. So here it is, functioning back normally, and we'll test the features. Let's pull a shot. Looking pretty good. Maybe a little coarse on the grind, but still overall good and not leaking. Alright, let's try some steam. Looking good. The hot water knob is also a little loose, so we tightened that up while we were at it. You can hear the pump activating now that we've emptied the boiler a little bit, so you know that the water level sensors are functioning as they should. Alright, there you have it. Pasquini Livia 90 functioning once again. Thanks for tuning in to Kanen Coffee, and please like our videos.